Hello everyone, welcome to zCloak Whiteboard Episode 5, DID+VC Identity System Based on ZKP. In contrast with Web2's centralized identity, zCloak's Web3 identity system based on DID+VC uses public-private key cryptography technology. In the DID+VC system, if a verifier wants to verify the authenticity and accuracy of a VC, they only need to verify the signature data alone to confirm whether the VC is attested by a certain public key, without having to communicate with the attester. The process of accessing the attester database is eliminated. The possibility of system tracking is reduced, which improves the efficiency and security of the DID+VC identity system. These advantages are particularly essential in scenarios such as enterprise identity, accessing management, and KYC. zCloak's combined DID, VC, and ZKP identity system enables users or claimers to flexibly control the amount of information disclosure during verification. For instance, zCloak supports users to select how they want to present their identity data by providing 4 disclosure modes: ZKP disclosure, digest disclosure, selective disclosure, and full disclosure. In particular, ZKP disclosure, which allows users to present their information on a least necessary basis, can maximize user data privacy by showing only a result of confirming or non-confirming to the verifier. In other words, users can prove their identity attributes without presenting any private information to the public. At present, the Web3 identity system still has a problem. Users must expose at least part of their private data when verifying their identity. And after multiple exposures, these privacy data can be at risk of being collected, organized, and analyzed to form a complete user persona, thus threatening users' privacy security. With the intent to solve the above problem, zCloak combines ZKP technology with DID and VC identity systems to provide users with various privacy disclosure options to make public data verifiable and permanent, and private data provable but invisible in the identity verification process. This approach differs from Web2 and offline full-text data presentation, in contrast with the identity information disclosure pattern of, in order to verify, the data must be visible, which is without any privacy protection to users. For example, by simply presenting a zero-knowledge computation proof of local data to the public, users can prove to customs that their visa information is valid, to the bank that they are eligible for a certain type of loan, to a DAO that they are qualified to vote for a specific proposal, to a DeFi service that their transaction information is compliant, and etc. Throughout the process, the storage and computation of user private data always stays in user local devices, and users don't have to disclose any private information. Thus, they can fully control over how to use their own data. It is to say that zCloak makes DID less exclusive to cryptographic technologists through a set of standardized protocols and products. On the one hand, projects with a technical background can implement a wide range of applications through zCloak's SDK. On the other hand, general Web3 users can also obtain and manage their VCs through a series of products such as the Credential Platform and ZKID Wallet.